Hey guys, this is Jeffrey with Fev I Trade. I hope you can hear me clearly. But we're gonna look at the market today. It is August 23rd, 2024, and let's see what it has to offer. We're looking at a couple of charts: the Nasdaq, the Russell, the YM, the ES. As you can see, they're all in a little uptrend, and I missed it. So we'll look for another opportunity, and we'll trade with some patience, some discipline, and let's see what we got today, guys. All right. What are you guys looking at? Anybody traded so far since the market opened or since the pre-market? You guys place any trades? I want to get this Discord working so we can trade live in the Discord. But right now, YouTube has to do it, and we'll just post a video. But this is current market, and we're going to see what the market has in store. Not a bad pullback to the 20 on the ES, Nasdaq. The Russell and the Dow's not quite there yet, but just be careful if you're buying off those levels. If you are, you better get in and get out. And if you aren't, you better protect yourself. You gotta protect yourself. I'm still looking for a long scenario right now, so just have to wait for setup, but I'm looking for a long opportunity. So let's see. Honestly, I want to see what this candle is going to do. Let's see. Anybody like trading off the 20? Anybody like catching off the 20? Obviously, this is a long wick, so you got to protect yourself, but the 20 would be offering some type of support. I mean, it's definitely a scalp move, but I mean, this went 10 points right here. So, or even if you caught it from the average, I mean, this went 20 points. So, just look out, just be careful, protect yourself. It is jumpy right now, so just be careful on all angles. I like the Russell as well, of course. Russell still looks good. All right, let's see what this Nasdaq wants to do. Let's see what this Nasdaq wants to do. I don't mind taking a quick jump, but let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. Got a 2 contract pull on it. But we know that doesn't matter. Things can change very quickly. So let's see if this is... Oh, nope. That one didn't work out. Leave that one alone for now. A nice little spike up, but nothing crazy, but down pretty big on that first one. So wait for a second one. I actually realized I didn't hit record for this one, guys, but I got in right here on a long trade. I want to see if it can come up to this area here, which would be good. But yeah, I didn't hit record. Sorry, guys. But I'm in the trade, so kind of want to see the direction. I'm still long. Obviously, I assume it's probably gonna get back to these highs, but I just don't know. But let's let it do its thing, and let's see if it wants to continue going up or if it wants to go ahead and show some direction downward. So let's see. It's jumping, but I'm down pretty big. couple of bad trades, guys, that just didn't work out. So um, I kind of want to see if this is gonna get up there. Nice green bull bar. So all right, okay, I'm down 305. We'll take some profits back off this one, which is probably still gonna go up, but learn my lesson. All right, so we'll wait for another one. Yeah, and I missed that Russell play too. This was a good one. So I'm glad I got some of that money back from this Nasdaq. That was a pretty terrible down moment, but 300 not as bad because we know we can get it back so fast. Now I just gotta wait for another setup. I may give Nasdaq a break and just look at another market, and we'll see what else we can come up with. All right. Let's see. Still looking for a long either way. The first long was here. Sidetracked me, came down, took me out. I actually tried to get in again, thinking it was going to pump back up, and it didn't. But on this candle, it did. So, yeah, it happens. So now we're just going to wait for another setup, and let's see if we can get one more to work out. I'm going to play the breakout here on the Russell. So I want to see if it has anything to offer. So let's see if I'm wrong, if I'm right. But I do want to play the breakout. So let's see if, I mean, it's a 60% chance, right? So hopefully that 60% chance can hit my first target, and it did. And now, I mean, maybe we can just let this run a little bit. Right? So with the breakout, which was like a B trade, right? That you didn't know if it was going to come up and drop back down, or if it was going to continue going up. But with the momentum, you know, you gotta love it, right? You gotta, just have a little type of prediction that it was going to go up. Not all markets broke out yet. I think the ES is looking to get there, which I'm not going to play the ES. But as you can see, the cool thing is we can sim some of these trades. All right, so as you see on the ES, we can sim it. Let's sim it. Let's see if it wants to do the same thing as the Russell. So let's see. So yeah, and you can sim, guys. Sim practice. You know, even though people are like, oh, you don't have to sim. I sim. You know, if I want to test a trade out, or want to see if a market's going to go in a direction, just sim it and see what happens. You'll be surprised it actually does what you think it's going to do, and then sometimes it does exactly the opposite. But if you sim it, you know, you're not risking any real money, right? So you just place in the trade. So I want to see what the Russell is still going to do, and let's see if the ES. Like, just look at the ES. It came up, didn't do anything yet. It still may break through, but you just don't know, right? So nice little pin bar hanging up here. But you know, we don't know yet. So let's see. Okay, the Russell may be going where we want it to go. I want to take a little bit more money off the table. I really, really do. So I don't know. The ES, I'm gonna leave the ES alone. Get the ES a break. I'll let you know how that turned out. If it turns out to be anything. Giving this Russell some time. He's on the clock though, but I'm giving him a little break. He's struggling, but it's right after 10:30 Eastern, so sometimes that's reversal time. So we'll see if it's gonna hit the turn around or if it's gonna continue making a big bar. I would love a big green bar, but it could be an exhaustion bar too, letting you know that the momentum is kind of over, but we don't know. So let's see where this big boy is gonna fall short at. remember I was down 300 on this trade. I mean, before this trade took place. So let's see where it leaves me. Got about 8 seconds left. All right, so let's see. Nice little pin bar though at the top. So I'm just gonna trail each green candlestick until I get stopped out, unless it hits my target. And then this ES trade, look at that. Never materialized yet. Not yet. I'm not saying it won't, but it hasn't. Look at that. Look at it drop back. I'm still gonna hang in there with the Russell. The Russell may come back as well, but you know, it's doing this. It could just do its own thing. So I'm not gonna panic and get out. We already in profit. Got an extra $55 as well. So let's see if it wants to like do the opposite of everybody else. And I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Yeah, we'll cut that ES off for a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, still like the Russell, but let's see if the Russell's gonna do what the Russell needs to do. Come on, Russell, what you got? See the time stop. I mean, I know that's sometimes a little delay, so it's very important sometimes also with these platforms to place your stop because sometimes you lose internet. Like I've done plenty of times. Now I have my Ethernet directly to my desktop. But yeah, that's happened to me plenty of times where the internet went out or the platform paused and you're just stuck. I mean, honestly, right? So don't get stuck. Let's see. Come on, Russell. And you see now the time is at 45 seconds and went from 2 minutes all the way to 45 seconds. Yeah. And for it actually to stop me out, it looks like, I think. Yeah. So here we go. Which I thought I was more in profit, but with that time stops, who knows? So I'm not sure why the time is stopping, which is actually throwing off the entire. Um, to me, it's throwing off the entire chart. I don't know really what's going on, but um, yeah, yeah, it's throwing off the entire chart. It really is. I have to keep refreshing it, which I probably shouldn't be trading it, huh? um, so let's see what we got. Uh, um, I'm looking. I just don't know what I got yet. I'm looking. looking, guys. I'm waiting. See if I can find something legit, but I don't know yet. I'm still looking for a long overall, but I don't know. And I mean, what you guys looking for? You looking for a long, a short? Got a couple of red bars here. What are you guys looking to jump on? I want to play this green candlestick right here. Let's see if it's gonna take. I don't know, but I almost can't tell because the candlestick isn't. Let me see. Yeah, maybe it's not a good time to trade. Maybe we should just. I'm already down 135. I don't know what's going on, but time is not moving. It's stuck. It's stuck, guys. All right, so we'll leave it here. We'll leave it here for a second until it gets its life together. Funny thing is, it's so crazy. I restarted my platform and I found another trade. And I took a short here. Looks like it might work out. I'm not sure. Well, it's gonna work out. We just want to see how Lowe's wants to go now. But not a bad trade, guys. You can see it. It's dumping, kind of like I did yesterday, right? It dumped yesterday. The ES, Nasdaq, like it was showing you guys what it was made of yesterday, and today could be doing the same thing. If you catch it. But look at this freaking drop, guys. This drop is crazy. It really is. It really is. I feel like I need to be getting out right about now because this can really turn backwards on you. All right, I keep that. Ooh, wee. All right. Okay. All right, still pulling. It's still pulling, guys. As you can see, the funny thing is, I'm in the Dow too. I'm in the ES. Same thing as yesterday. The ES show some balls. Now it's shown again. Now I gotta figure out if I want to get out or not, or if I want to stay in. Either way, it's a beautiful trade. I hope everybody caught this. If you did it, it's okay. But if you did, boy, good luck to you. It's a beautiful day. Let me get out. I'm at these lows. Let me get out. Honestly, not a terrible day today, right? Kind of came all the way back. So came back with this Nasdaq trade, 3,500, and then we came back on the Dow trade, which gave us 1450. So not a bad trade, guys. I'm done for the day though. Yeah, no more trading for me. It was fun. This beautiful drop. Probably what I should have waited for. But yeah, nice trade. This was in my book, it was a long situation, but come on, man. This was too perfect of a trade to let down. Especially as it came up here to the highs and it just fell, right? I saw this green bar, red bar, placed it perfectly, got in somewhere around here, added somewhere around here, and was hoping it got there to the previous close, which it didn't. But that's okay. Enough is taken off the table. Now it's time to run. It's Friday, guys. Sometimes Fridays are really funny, but it's Friday, and it worked out. So if you're trading, protect your capital, and don't give up. I was almost done. My platform was tripping, and I still decided to place another trade, and it worked out just based on my setup. All right, guys. We'll end it here. Thanks for listening. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. If not, turn up your volume. We'll figure out how to get this mic situation figured out. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's Fair by Trade, guys. Have a good weekend. See you guys Monday.